Hi, this is Ruth Ann Sokol. I will be talking to you today about what a researcher does once they have collected their data. The first thing to do is organize it. So I will be looking at data of current fourth grade students, and I will be looking at their third grade language arts PARCC scores from last year. All of the calculations will be done using Excel, and we will be looking at mean, median, and mode. Once the researcher has collected their data, the first thing they need to do is organize it. I organized it by student name, DRA from last year, third grade PARCC scores, DRA from fourth grade, and benchmark for the fourth quarter. So what I'm going to be looking for today is the mean. The average is one value that represents an entire group of scores. Averages are also called measures of central tendencies. The mean, median, and mode provide the researcher with a variety of information about a distribution of scores. These figures are extremely easy to calculate using Excel. The first figure that we're going to calculate is the mean. The mean is the most common average. Actually, in Excel, the formula is average. The mean is the sum of all the numbers or values in a group divided by the total numbers of scores. So in this case, we're looking at the third grade language arts scores, and there are 25 students. If you're going to do this by hand, you would add up all of the scores and then divide them by 25. However, Excel makes it so much easier. Right up here in the function bar, you type in equals, and then the word is average. Choose average from the drop-down menu. And then you're going to highlight the cells that you're calculating. And then you're going to close the parentheses and hit enter. Okay, next we're going to calculate the median. We're going to do the same exact thing. We're still looking at the third grade language arts PARCC scores. The median is also an average. It's the midpoint in a set of scores. It is the point where half of the scores are above this number and half the scores are below. If we were going to do this manually or by hand, we would put the scores in order from highest to lowest or lowest to highest and find the middlemost score. However, Excel will do this for us. Go up to the function bar right here, equals, and start to type in the word median. There you go. Click on median. Again, we're going to highlight the data set for these 25 students and close the parentheses. Median for this data set is 742. Next, we're going to find the mode, the last measure of central tendencies. The mode is the number that occurs most frequently in a data set. To do this, you would list all of the numbers in a distribution list and then tally the number of times this number appears. There is no formula for computing mode. However, Excel will do this for us. We're going to go up to the top, click formula, equals, start to type in mode, and again, we're going to go to our third grade language arts PARCC scores and highlight our data set. All 25 students, close the parentheses, and click enter. Excel makes it very easy and user-friendly to find the mean, median, and mode.